Morning everyone, so another important topic that we're going to go through today is actually calculating with surds. So the first thing you should have done today is make sure that you mark the work from yesterday, which is on simplifying surds, because we're going to be using that in order to do today's questions. So expanding and simplifying and calculating with surds, this is what we're going to be doing today. We're going to treat your surds like algebra, so for a lot of you, you will be hating this, okay? But we do need to get to a stage we can actually do this. So if the brackets, we expand them. If you see plus or minus between them, you collate your like terms. If you do multiply or divide between them, you use the laws of surds, okay, which was the lesson yesterday. So say this question here. Now, I've got 2 root 3 plus 3 root 3. So altogether, how many lots of root 3s have you got? Well, you've got simply 5 root 3. So it's simply like doing 2x plus 3x, which is 5x, so therefore that will be 5 root 3. For the next one, you've got 8 root 5, take away 5 root 5. So you've got 8 lots of root 5, take away 5 lots of root 5. So there you go. You're going to have simply 3 root 5. Now the next one's a bit of a difficulty, okay? Now for anyone that was thinking of adding them together and getting root 327, that is wrong, okay? So if you're thinking of doing root 300 plus root 27 equals to root 327, that is wrong, okay? The only time you can actually go from 2 roots into 1 is if you multiply or divide. Now when it gets to these questions here, it's a bit more complicated, okay? You first need to actually simplify. It's what you did yesterday. So you're thinking, what is the biggest possible square number that fits into root 300? So biggest possible square number that goes into it is 100. So it's root 3 times root 100. Biggest possible square number that fits into 27 is what? Is 9. Okay, so at this moment in time, I've done nothing different from yesterday. So therefore, that will be 10 root 3 plus 3 root 3. So altogether, how many root 3s you've got? 13 root 3s. Okay, continuing. So again, for this one here, biggest possible square number that goes into it is 9. So I've got 9 that goes into it twice. And biggest possible is 4. So therefore, 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 will give us altogether 5 root 2 for us. So, root 8 plus root 98, take away 50. So, if you want, you can actually do it separately. So, root 8 is root 4 times root 2. So, therefore, it's 2 root 2. Root 98 is root 49 times root 2. 7 root 2. Root 50 is root 25 times root 2. 5 root 2. And then simply write them underneath. So root 8, instead of root 8, I'm going to write 2 root 2. Instead of root 98, I'm going to write 7 root 2. Don't forget the sign in between. Take away 5 root 2. Right, take away 5 root 2. So therefore you've got 9 root 2, take away 5 root 2, altogether 5 lots of root 2, and that'll be your answer for it. Right, continuing on. So, simplify root 7, add root 75, okay? So, what we need to be doing is we need to make sure that we make these, okay, we simplify. So, root 27, root 9 times root 3, 3 root 3. Root 75 is root 25 times root 3, so therefore it's 5 lots of root 3. So therefore altogether that will be simply 8 lots of root 3. So that's how you simply simplify. Now, I would like us to pause this video and try these questions for us. And see what you've got. Now, if anyone's got any difficulty with these questions, okay, all you've got to do is literally just say, take a picture of it, send it to me, say, I don't know how you got this answer, and then I'll just simply reply to you. Let's see this challenge question, okay, this is an extension, see if anyone could actually get it. Okay, so again, pause the video. Okay, and try this question for us. So if I was doing this step by step, I'm going to do root 300 first of all as root 3 times root 100. So that's 10 root 3, done. Next one, root 9 times root 3, 3 root 3. This one, there's nothing I can do to it, so it just stays as root 3. 108, let's see, 108, I think 9 would probably be the biggest number that goes into it. 9 goes into it 12 times, so it might be a bigger possible square number. So let's have a look first of all. 9 times root 12. So root 9 times root 4 times root 3. So actually, you'll find that 36 goes into 183 times. So let's do biggest possible square number is root 36 times root 3. So therefore that's 6 root 3. So let's write everything out. 10 root 3 plus 3 root 3, take away root 3, all over 6 root 3. 10 plus 3 is 13, take away one lot, 12 root 3 over 6 root 3. So cancels, you're left with simply 2. How many 6 go into 12? 2. Nice and easy. Not easy, but obviously it makes a bit more sense. So a few more examples of what irrational and rational numbers are. So, without me showing anything, I would like us to pause this video, okay, and try this for 5 minutes. Right, let's go through the answers. Now, you've got double brackets, okay, so the double brackets work a two-way. You can either use the FOIL method, yeah, first, outside numbers, inside and last, or you could have used the box method, yeah, so you could have put root 3 plus 2, root 3 plus 4. Whichever method you want, that's the one that you use, okay? But we're using it for surds. So, let's see. Root 3 times root 3, that gives us root 9. Next one. Root 3 times 4 gives us 4 lots of root 3. 2 times root 3 gives us 2 lots of root 3. 2 times 4 will gives us 8. So therefore, let's see if we can simplify anything. Well, root 9 is actually 3. 4 lots plus 2 lots gives us 6 lots. Plus 8. Add your numbers, 11 plus 6, root 3. Continuing again, okay? Same again. I'm going to do it with a box method this time. Because a lot of people actually expand using the box. So you've got root 5, take 2, root 5 plus 3. So root 5 times root 5 gives us root 25. Root 5 times minus 2, minus 2 root 5. 3 times 5 gives us 3 root 5. 3 times minus 2 gives us minus 6. So let's write everything we've written down. So root 25 plus 3 root 5. Take 2 root 5, take 6. But root 25 is actually the number 5. If I simplify this, I'll get one lot of root 5. So I can just write root 5, take 6. Well, 5 take 6 is minus 1. So it's minus 1 plus root 5, that's your answer for it. Last one again. So, 2 root 3 times 2 root 3, well that gives us 4 root 9. 2 root 3 times 1 gives us 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3 and minus 1. So, see if we can simplify anything. Well, these two actually cancel out. 4 root 3, yeah, 4 root 3 is what? So 4 root 9 is 4 times 3. Take 1, which is 12, take 1, which is 11. So you can actually see 11, 5 minus 1, done. 11 plus 6 root 3, 11 plus 6 root 3.